What would happen if you took a 2-week vacation starting tomorrow? Would your shop run smoothly, or would it completely fall apart? Now, if that question makes you nervous, you're not alone. Most shop owners are so involved in the day-to-day that they don't even realize that their business depends entirely on them. And that's a big problem, my friend. Here's the deal. If your shop can't function without you, you don't own a business. You own a job. And that job controls your time, your stress levels, and ultimately your future. But the good news is, fixing this isn't as hard as you might think. And if you stick with me for the next 90 seconds, I'll give you a quick 3-question test that's going to help determine if it can run without you. And if not, I'll give you 3 quick steps to get you back your freedom so you can take more time off and make more money. All right, so let's do the test. Imagine you have to step away for 2 full weeks. No calls, no text, no stepping in. Now ask yourself these 3 very important questions. Number 1, who do you have that's going to handle all the daily problems? Do your employees know what to do when a customer complains? How about when a tech calls off? What happens when something goes wrong in your shop? Do your employees rely on you for every little decision? Number 2, will your numbers stay strong? Look, when you come back in 2 weeks, do you honestly believe that your sales and profit margins are going to be the same as when you left? What about your car count? Will the shop be getting the jobs out on time? If not, your shop is missing key systems that will keep the business running smoothly. Number 3, will customers notice you're gone? Are they calling and asking for you personally? If so, you've got a bottleneck problem, and you, my friend, are the bottleneck. So, how are we going to fix this? Well, here are 3 things that you can start doing today. First, write it down. Every time somebody asks you a question or a problem arises, document the answers and solutions. That's the beginning of a playbook that your team can follow when you're not there. Second, delegate smarter. Start handing off decisions to your team. Let your service advisor handle the daily reconciliation. Let your lead tech manage quality control and tech efficiency. Trust your employees. It's the only way that you're going to be able to grow. Third, measure what matters. Track your shop's key numbers, revenue, car count, and profit margins, so you know when things are running well, even when you're not there. So do you pass the 2-week vacation test? Drop a yes below if the shop runs without you, or a no if you need to work on it. And if you want more tips on running a profitable shop that gives you more freedom and more money, hit that follow button, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, because that way you're going to see these videos when they come out, because I've got plenty more videos coming your way. Thanks for watching.